We have one here at the CBS Radford lot. We do.
You better go find it.
A wild rattata.
Oh.
Ooh.
Be
So
Yeah.
how do you find? Okay.
I don't know. You have to download the app and do all that.
But does it tell you
But there's a
exactly where it
rattata
is?
all over the place around here.
Oh, interesting.
Is it
you
over
seen it?
here?
No, I
You have to go through your Pokemon Go.
No, I feel like this is what happens. You look on your screen,
Right.
and it shows up on your screen. So
That's
you
right.
say, oh, there it is,
Got
right there.
it.
So it's all based on
Yeah.
GPS or something like that,
See, when I
right?
was growing up,
Yeah.
it was about the Pokemon cards.
It was the cards.
Yeah.
It's
Things are
grown up. It's
changing.
changing. Yeah,
Oh
big
my
time.
goodness.
Evolving.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's cool,
get
isn't it?
with
We have
it.
one right
Yeah.
here on the lot. So
That
You gotta
is
be careful.
pretty awesome.
It's like,
Rattatas
it's like
hanging out.
texting and walking, you know?
Yeah.
It's,
Right.
dangerous.
Just one more
I would
thing to
not
do.
advise that, but
Yeah.
people are doing it.
People are
sounds
doing
like.
it. That's true. It's one more thing
Yeah.
to get distracted
It's
with.
true. It's
But
true.
I'm a little curious. I'm gonna have to see
Really?
what's going
Why
on.
don't you try it out and tell me how it is?
You know what? I will.
I don't know if I'm going to invest in it or not.
You'll be jealous. Just wait. It's gonna happen.
Evelyn's on it. Pokemon Go.
Pokemon Go. All right, take a look. Do you think Pokemon's out
Ooh,
there
Long
in
Beach,
Long Beach?
maybe.
There's a lot of
somewhere?
Pokemons out there.
There
somewhere,
are, right? I'm sure.
Yeah.
Long Beach must be the spot tonight. Take a look. Clear conditions. Temperatures in the 70s. It's quite mild. And we're looking at another few warm days on our hands, and then eventually it cool down. What goes up must come down. As we get a look at the rest of your forecast here, you will see temperatures currently in the 70s and the 60s. And eventually we will see some cloud cover start to move into the picture. Right now, though, nice and clear across the Southland. So as we get a look at those temperatures, you will see numbers again, 60s, 70s, with a few 80s. We'll get to those in a second, but I do want to show you overnight low clouds, near average numbers, and eventually a bit of a cool down on the way. Until then, things look like this outside, 75 in Van Nuys, 76 in Ontario. As we head to the coast, 69 at LAX, and a little breezy as well. You'll see 9-mile-per-hour winds, Ontario at 11 miles per hour. So just a little bit of a sea breeze pushing in, and eventually it's going to push in that cloud cover overnight. And we are going to continue to see overnight and morning low clouds. Other than that, we're actually expecting very warm temperatures, sunny skies by the afternoon. You will see low pressure sitting to our north, and that's eventually going to slide down later in the week. We'll show you exactly when, and that'll cool us down. But until then, nothing but cool. We're right where we should be for this time of year. Average being 83, and you'll see we got up to 83 degrees earlier today. 64 later tonight. Overnight lows mostly in the 60s tonight, and afternoon highs tomorrow in the 70s, 80s, and the 90s. 74 in Newport as we head to Dana Point, 74. As we head to the IE, you're going to see temperatures in the 80s and 90s, 93 Paris, 85 in Hemet. And as we can look at your 7-day microclimate forecast, you're going to notice temperatures mostly in the 70s, the 80s, and yes, a few 90s in the mix. And you're going to notice the valleys, especially warm through your Thursday and your Friday, and slightly cooler as that low drops down Saturday and Sunday. And by Monday, we're still sitting in the 70s, 80s, and 90s. Coming up, we're going to have your forecast, their 7-day forecast for the high deserts, the mountains, and the IE. But for now, we'll send it back to you guys.